The CRB7 MK3 router base from M.Power tools gives you total control over 7 specific router operations. The CRB7 comes with 2 different sizes of guide rods, and the rod spacing is adjustable, guaranteeing a perfect fit with almost every router available. The CRB7 functions right out of the box as an offset base. The large footprint adds stability to your edge-forming operations, keeping the router stable even when working around corners. The included pivot pin and screw store magnetically in the bridge. Installing the pin instantly converts the CRB7 for circle cutting. The stock base can cut circles and arcs from 3/4 of an inch to nearly 9 inches in radius. The micro adjust wheel allows for precise setting of the bit so that your cuts are exactly where you want them to be. And unlike most other router jigs, circle size adjustment can be made without disturbing the position on the board. Circles and arcs up to 4 feet in diameter can be cut using the included large circle compass kit. The micro adjust wheel helps place the bit exactly where needed, anywhere on the circle. Attach the included centering pins to cut precision mortises. Turning the base and keeping both pins tight on the part guides the router on stock up to 5 inches thick. The micro adjust wheel makes cutting centered and offset mortises easy and accurate, and allows simple adjustment for cutting wide mortises more accurately than ever. The included anti-tilt leg is used to keep the router from tipping when riding on a template, tall or narrow stock, or when working close to the end of a panel. Cutting rabbets, grooves, and dados using a straight edge guide is simpler than ever with the CRB7. No need to try and set the straight edge exactly. The micro adjust wheel allows you to fine-tune the offset perfectly. Index cutting of regularly spaced grooves is a breeze with the CRB7. Adding a guide strip to the supplied holes on the base makes consistent cutting of spaced grooves across a panel simple and accurate. The guide rails and micro adjust wheel allow for very accurate adjustment of the spacing. And this method also allows for making V-groove, fluted, or even beadboard faux panels. With the optional edge trimming kit, the CRB7 becomes the fast and safe way to trim edge banding. No more holding large panels on edge and trying to balance the router on a narrow surface. You can now do your trimming flat with superior control. The optional edge guide allows for routing deep within a panel while guiding off an edge. The guide rails and micro adjust wheel allow you to set the cut precisely where you want it. The edge guide comes pre-drilled with holes for mounting a sacrificial fence when milling on or close to the edge of a part. M.Power Tools CRB7 MK3 provides amazing control and ease of use over 7 major routing operations, making your woodworking more effective and enjoyable. Find out more at www.m-powertools.com.